What is up, guys? It's Animal Crossing Central here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own designs for Animal Crossing. You can upload them or you can put them onto your Switch, which is really easy, but hate to say, but you have to use the Nintendo Online app. I'm fine with that because I don't find the Nintendo Online app that too bad, but a lot of people find it annoying. So if you're okay with that, then yeah, let's go straight in. So what you want to do is you want to go into Google Chrome. It can be any other, but Google Chrome is the best. And then you want to search up any pixel art. So or you can make your own. You can make your own, but I prefer to search up because if you want to make your own, then this isn't the video for you. So what you do, search up. So I want to do Squirtle. So you search up Squirtle. So you search up Squirtle pixel art. You can search up any pixel art. Just make sure it's pixel art, because if it's not pixel art, it's just going to look all fuzzy. So click on the one you want. I want this one. You can edit it in the thing that I'm going to be showing you, so there's no point using like Pixlr or something, because Pixlr is probably one of your best bets for a free photo editing. So I've got all of mine here. Well, you can't see them, but they are there. Then you want to go to AC Designs. AC Designs. Okay, yeah, you need to search up. I search up Animal Cross. I'll leave a link to the description in this. Animal Crossing Design Maker, but I'll leave a link in the description for Animal Crossing Design Maker. So if you do want to search out yourself, it's this one, acpatterns.com. Then it comes up with this. What you want to do is you want to click convert, or you can make your own here, but again, this isn't the video for you if you want to make your own, because you could just make it on the Switch, you know. And then you want to pick one of yours. So what you'll do is you'll just go into pictures, go into what folder you saved it in, or if you haven't saved it in a folder. And I've got all of mine. I'm deleting this one because this one's disgusting, and also this one. There's no point having that. So these are my real good ones. And then so you click, and then you got this, and you click next, and it looks disgusting. But to fix that, what you want to do is you want to put it on sharp pixels or low quality. They both work basically the same, but I prefer sharp pixels because sometimes on some pictures sharp pixel looks better, but it's just your preference, you know. Sharp pixels. So convert, and then what you do is you can edit it if you want, but don't change these colours because I'll show you what will happen. Open color editor. If you change it to green, you got weird green spots all over it. So it was this one, I think. Yep. And then what you want to do is you want to click on this one, unless you got a PNG, because a PNG has all of this not in. And what you want to do is you want to click the bucket, and you just fill it all in. Sometimes you need to click both sides and all around, but yeah. And I'm not sure about this tail, so I'm gonna oh, that was an accident, wasn't it? Oh, okay, we've literally messed up. Let me just quickly sort this out. Okay, we are back, and yeah, Squirtle's back. So now we just do what I said before. Do that. Make sure you click back on the pencil if you want to edit. And I'm just going to add a little bit more circulation to this tail. And if you see up there, that does look much better. So then we go to save. Wait, no, you go to generate QR code. Generate QR code. Don't listen to what I just said. Generate QR code. You have this. Then what you want to do is you can either scan it now, but what I like to do is I like to save my images. I will show you how to upload it in a minute. Show in folder, and it'll be like that. Then you just drag it to pictures. drag it into AC patterns. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you how to upload it and then we'll be on the phone. So now that you're done with that, click off of that, you just click anywhere. Then what you do is you go to publish. You need to type in title, so Squirtle. Or for you just type in your name. Well, you could just type in anything, but best to type in your name. Charlie. Town. You type in your Animal Crossing town, but mine's like where I live, so I need to change it to hometown. So I'm just going to put hometown. Normal pattern easel, that's the best one, because that means you can use it on anything. Like if you intend it to be on a t-shirt, then put these, but I recommend this one. It's way better because you can still use it on a t-shirt, of course, but it won't like. Well, it will. I just don't really understand that. Main style, well, kind of an animal, I guess. Main type. I put poster because like you can use it for like whatever you want really. Don't click this unless it's like not appropriate. Just don't click that, otherwise it won't show up for most people. Then save, and now it's uploaded. So, so I'll see you on the phone then. Animal Crossing, if you've played Animal Crossing on your Nintendo Switch yet. And it won't be like this. It won't show up. Wait, it will be like. Okay, so. Yeah, it won't be like this. What you'll have to do is you'll have to go on your Switch. And before you start the game, you press. Well, actually, let's show you now. Okay, so we're on the Switch, so what you're going to do is before you start the game, you press minus to go to settings. Might have been wondering what that's for, it's for like restarting town and also for Nook Link. So what you do is you just, you go down to Nook Link. So then it'll just say connect, and I've already done that, so I don't need to do that. And then you press scan a QR code. Allow it to access the camera. Then what you want to do is you want to go to the file you saved, or if it's already on your desktop, then you should be fine. So I've got it right here. Okay. So what you need to do now is you want to go to here and you just want to scan the QR code. It will only take a second. And then now it's on here, so what you're going to do is you do save. And then what you do is you go back on your Switch, and I'll show you now. Okay, so now we're back on the Switch, and what you want to do is you want to go into your Animal Crossing town. Just wait for it to load in, and then you go on to designs. If you haven't unlocked designs yet, then you can't do it, but designs are really easy to unlock. You get them when you get the Nook phone, so it's basically at the start of the game. Okay, so once you're in, you press the phone button, then you go down to custom designs. Then what you do is you press the plus button, download, and then it should say OK. And then you press OK, and then you go to an empty one or whatever one you want to replace. So I'm going to go to empty one, overwrite it, and then there you go, there's the Squirtle pattern. So let's quickly go and place it. Hopefully this has been clear. If you've got any questions, then go down, write them in the comments. So now what you want to do is you go onto there, Then you can either wear it as a top. I'm going to display it on the ground. And there you go. You have your picture in Animal Crossing. Really simple. Video might have been a bit long, but hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.